This video contains options which may or may not be included in your liftgate. If you have questions, please contact WALTCO for your exact specification. Welcome to the WDV Operators video. This video is provided to explain safe operation of WALTCO liftgates and to help ensure your safety. This video is not intended to be a substitute for reading and understanding the owner's manual. Incorrect operation of this liftgate can result in serious personal injury. Read and comply with instructions and warnings and use common sense. Put the truck in park and apply the parking brake. Follow any vehicle or company-specific procedures before exiting the vehicle. Make sure people and objects are clear from the operational and safety area. Proceed to the passenger side controls. Please read and follow safety and instructional decals. Safely stand to the side of the platform, allowing a clear view of the operational area. Stay clear of moving liftgate and always keep hands and feet clear of pinch points. Always keep your full attention on the safe operation of the liftgate. Do not use the cell phone or anything that may distract you from the safe operation of the liftgate. To release the platform from the transit lock, press the toggle switch to up position. Raise platform up from transit lock until it stops. The platform is now prepared to be opened. To open the platform, press the up toggle and the open toggle at the same time. Hold in position until the platform is fully extended. Press the toggle switch to down position to lower the platform to a comfortable position. To open the ramp to cart stop position. To open the ramp, rotate the latch. Hold the ramp open to 45 degrees until it's secured by the chain. Press the toggle switch to down position until the platform reaches the ground. You may now safely enter the platform. For platforms with integrated cart stops, use your shoe to push the yellow knob in the cross direction. The cart stop will automatically be released and raised to a cart stop position. To close the cart stop, step on the cart stop until it locks in the horizontal position. Always keep hands and feet clear of pinch points and stand clear of the edge of the platform. Press the toggle switch located on the inside runner of the liftgate to raise position until the platform reaches bed level. You are now ready to load the platform. Make sure the ramp is still in cart stop position. Once platform is safely loaded, press the toggle switch to lower position until platform is at ground level. You may now deploy the ramp to the ground and remove your cargo from the platform. Be sure to return the ramp to the 45-degree cart stop position before raising an occupied platform. Continue these steps until your delivery is complete. To secure the liftgate for transit, raise unoccupied platform to a comfortable position. Fold the ramp back onto the platform and rotate latch to secure. Press toggle to up position. Raise platform all the way up to the floor of the trailer and secure that both sides are at floor level before closing the platform. Then simultaneously hold the up and close toggle until the platform is completely closed. To place platform and transit latches, press toggle switch to down position. Lower the platform until the travel ear is just below the travel lock. Press the up toggle and power the platform up until the ear is just above the saddle, pushing the lock catch up. Lower the platform into the travel lock slot. The liftgate is now ready for transit. Step 1. Run liftgate through its entire cycle. Check for any unusual noises coming from the liftgate or related items, such as the power unit. Step 2. Inspect liftgate for missing or loosened fasteners, broken welds, signs of overload, hydraulic leaks, and that pins are in place and secured. Any defects need repair immediately. Contact your authorized service center. Step 3. Check that all warning decals are in place and legible. Any missing or damaged decals need replacement immediately. For location of decals, see the owner's manual. Warning: do not operate the liftgate if everything does not check out properly during its daily inspection. Liftgate may malfunction, causing severe personal injury or death. Liftgate should be inspected immediately by an authorized service center. WALTCO offers many selectable options for the liftgates. The liftgate is equipped with a porch light kit wired to the liftgate control switches. The switch is located on the liftgate rail above the passenger side light housing. To activate the porch light feature, toggle the light switch to the on position. When the switch is toggled on, the porch lights will automatically illuminate with any liftgate operation. The lights will automatically turn off 10 minutes after the last liftgate operation. To manually turn off the lights, simply toggle the switch to the off position. This liftgate includes a power down, gravity down function. This toggle switch is located on the outside of the power unit box. Gravity down is typically used in warm climates to reduce energy usage. When the temperature gets colder, the oil thickens, and the power down function is commonly selected to increase liftgate speed. Backup auxiliary pump and motor switch. WALTCO has included a backup pump and motor in the unlikely event that primary unit malfunctions. Important: backup function should only be used when the primary motor is not functioning. To shift to the backup auxiliary pump and motor, toggle the motor select switch, located on the outside of the power unit box, to the auxiliary position. When auxiliary mode is selected, an alarm will beep reminding you to schedule a service on the liftgate. WALTCO is safeguarded against switch failure by providing a backup liftgate control switch. This switch is located on the back wall of the power box, behind the pump and auxiliary motor. To gain access to these controls, remove the wing nut securing switch in place and remove the control switch from the power unit box. The backup liftgate control switch is attached to over 30 feet of cable, allowing the operator to walk the backup controls to the liftgate operation area. This switch can be used as a temporary replacement for the main liftgate control switch. Follow standard operating instructions for operating the liftgate. Once complete, return the backup switch and cable to its original location, securing with the wing nuts, and replace the lid. Remember to schedule a service for the main switch if it has complications.